Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Emotions and Stories. The story for today is called The Marvels of Mihir. In the bustling lanes of Jodhpur, amidst the cacophony of chai vendors and vibrant colors of spice market, lived a 14-year-old boy named Mihir. Known for his boundless curiosity and a knack of turning everyday projects into extraordinary inventions, Mihir was a pride and occasional headache for his family. Mihir's workshop wasn't lavish, but a cozy corner of his family's courtyard, filled with rusted bicycle wheels, discarded motor parts, and empty paint cans. The walls were plastered with diagrams, equations, and wild ideas scribbled in chalk. His contraptions were often met with a mix of awe and confusion by the locals. One of Mihir's most infamous creations was the auto bhindi cutter, a device that could chop okra in seconds. It worked, albeit noisily, but occasionally sprayed between bits of bhindi across the room, much to his mother's exasperation. The challenge. One day, the village announced a competition, Innovate for India, where young minds would showcase inventions that could improve daily life. The winner would receive a scholarship to prestigious science academy in Mumbai. Mihir was thrilled. His mind buzzed with possibilities. After much thought, he decided to create a desert dew collector, a machine designed to harvest water from the air, especially crucial for his arid region. The wild contraption. Mihir's design was a blend of ingenuity and chaos. Using an old ceiling fan, a roll of mosquito netting, and savage refrigerator compressor, he built a contraption that could cool the air and condense water. The collected water was funneled into clay pots to keep it cool. The machine had a quirk. It emitted a loud rhythmic thunk-thunk sound, earning its nickname Pani Pataka, the water cracker. Despite its noise, it worked. Every morning, the pots contained a small but precious amount of water. The big day. On the day of the competition, Mihir transported his contraption to the town square on a bullock cart. Accompanied by curious onlookers, competitors presented sleek gadgets and polished presentations. But Mihir's machine stood out. Messy yet functional. When it was his turn, Mihir confidently demonstrated how his invention worked. The judges watched as droplets of water trickled into the pot. The audience erupted in applause, marveling at how such a simple setup could address a critical problem. A bright future. Mihir's Desert Dew Collector won the first prize. The scholarship paved the way for him to study environmental engineering, where he continued innovating sustainable solutions for water. Back in Jodhpur, Mihir's story became the stuff of a legend. His wild contraptions and boundless imagination reminded everyone that even the smallest ideas could lead into monumental changes, especially when rooted in the needs of the community. We hope you like this small story. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.